as part of your investigation, did you obtain the Instagram information of the victim in this case, Charles Jones?
Yes.
I'm going to show you what's been entered into evidence, States Exhibit 85A. And again, is this just a business certificate from Instagram showing that these records are kept in the normal course of business?
Correct.
I'm going to show 85B. The records from Instagram. Does it show an account identifier? Who is that? Let me enlarge it for you.
Yeah, that's the victim's rapper name, Julio Foolio.
Okay. And then down here, the definition that he provided for name.
ESPN 98.
And then what is his vanity name that displays on his Instagram account?
Julio Foolio.
Okay, is it Julio_Foolio?
Correct.
Judge, at this time, we're going to introduce into evidence States Exhibit 86A through C, 87, and 88.
Any objection?
Judge, we introduce into evidence 86A through C, 87, and 88.
Any objection?
No objection.
Okay, admitted.
Detective, as part of your investigation, did you also get the records of the defendant, Alicia Andrews, her Instagram record?
Yes.
Show you 86A. Again, is this the business certificate saying that these records are kept in the normal course of business?
Correct.
I'm going to show you 86B. Going to go up here to the top. Can you let me enlarge it just a little bit? What is the account identifier for the defendant's Instagram?
Ooh, that's red.
And then I'm going to go down here, and can you see the name?
Miss Adora with a heart symbol.
And then the vanity name that shows up on her Instagram account.
Ooh, that's red.
And were there messaging that were found on her Instagram that was relevant to this investigation?
Yes.
I'm going to show you. I'm going to go to July 6th of 2024. Do you see that?
Yes.
And that is UTC time, is that correct?
Correct.
So you have to minus 4 hours to get the real time in Standard Eastern Time?
Correct.
Can you tell us what is being said at that point?
LMAO, I'll have them bring me tomorrow or Sunday, though his mom asked me, did I want to get dropped off earlier after we left the place trying to get our phones?
And at some point, I had already asked you earlier in the testimony today whether or not you were able to ever recover the actual device or actual phone that she is seen holding in that ring video, as well as Isaiah Chance seen holding in the parking lots of Teasers and Truth 18. Is that correct?
Correct.
You were never able to get that, correct?
We didn't get any of the devices.
Overruled.
And then can you see what the next message is?
He keep telling me to wait a week. That's why I've been sitting.
And then the next one?
Just have them bring you tomorrow.
And that is coming from someone with the Instagram username Tarnisha, is that correct?
Correct.
And then what is the response from the defendant's Instagram?
Okay.
And then what is the response from the person identified as Tarnisha?
I can't see
Oh,
the
I'm
rest
sorry,
of
I
that.
apologize. You see that now?
Why wait a week? Question mark.
And then I'm going to show you on the bottom of this page who the author is. And again, is that the defendant's account?
Yes, it is.
And then I'm going to go to the next page. And then can you please tell us what her response is on July 6th of 2024 at 1:02 UTC?
To make sure no police sitting around
Okay. And then what is her next response?
before I go there.
And then what is the response from Tarnisha?
Oh, well, come tomorrow. We'll come tomorrow, have them bring you.
And then what is the response from the defendant's Instagram account?
Okay.
And then what is her next one from Tarnisha?
You should have had her bring you earlier.
And then what is the response from the defendant's Instagram account?
Yeah, but I didn't have my clothes. Would have had to come way back, so I just waited.
Okay. And then what is her next response?
It appears an attachment was sent.
And I'm going to go down here to July 6th of 2024 at 1:06 UTC time. What does Tarnisha say at this point?
Did you get your phone?
And then what is it shown that she's doing at this point at 1:06 UTC time?
Sending an attachment.
And what is the response from the defendant's Instagram?
LMAO, he jumping so hard.
Okay. And then what is her next response?
And no, the lady said, the detective said we have to wait, but IG until his charge dropped. But that's weird. It was only a resisting arrest.
And then again, at the very bottom of the page, does it show that the next message is again coming from the defendant's Instagram account?
Correct.
And what is that response at 1:09 UTC time?
And no, the lady said the detective says we have to wait, but IG until his charge dropped. But that's weird. It was only a resisting arrest.
And does it show parens edited?
Yes.
Does that reflect that it was changed and resent an edited version?
Correct.
And then at July 6, 2024, at 1:10 UTC time, what is Tarnisha's response?
Well, let them keep that phone.
And then I'm going to jump down here to July 6 of 2024 at 1:11 UTC time. And what is the response from the defendant's Instagram account?
Yes, that's what I said. LMAO. It was a whole different one. Oh, well.
Then I'm going to jump ahead to July 9th of 2024 at 16:37 UTC time. And again, what was the date when you interviewed the defendant?
July 9th.
And can you tell us what, at 16:37 UTC time, what Tarnisha is sending to the defendant's Instagram account?
My mom said, get someone to drop you off to McDonald's. She will come.
And what is the response from the defendant's Instagram account?
She at work.
And then what is her next response at 17:10 UTC time?
And no, the mom got the car. She went to work.
And then what is Tarnisha's response at 17:10 UTC time?
Well, this is why you should have come Saturday or Sunday when no one is working, like you said. You didn't come.
And then down here to 17:11:34 UTC time, what does Tarnisha say at this point?
Just try to come later, or she said she will meet you at McDonald's.
Okay, and then what does she say, Tarnisha, from Tarnisha's Instagram at 22:35?
Police here looking for you.
what is the response from the defendant's Instagram response at 23:13 UTC?
Where are they at now?
And then what is the response from Tarnisha's Instagram?
Waiting.
And then her next response at 23:16 UTC, still on July 9th.
Outside.
And then what is the defendant's response from her Instagram account?
Oh, okay.
And then what does Tarnisha respond at 17:10 UTC time?
A thumbs up.
And then what is her next response at 18:26 UTC time?
Oh, never mind.
And then what is the response from the defendant's Instagram account at 23:18?
WIM or what you mean?
And then what is the next response?
I don't see them no more.
And again, that was from Tarnisha's Instagram.
Correct.
And then what is the response from the defendant's Instagram?
Up a little bit.
Oh, I apologize.
They somewhere waiting, probably.
And did you look at the time period from her Instagram account on June 22nd of 2024?
Yes.
And can you tell us, I'm going to put this on here. Is this what was posted to her account, and can you give us the time?
Yes, so it's June 23rd at 2:01 UTC, so that would have been Saturday, June 22nd at 10:01 p.m., a few hours after they arrived at the Airbnb.
And is that a screenshot from her Instagram? Let me go down here a little bit.
Yes.
And is it somebody, can you tell us what is being posted?
It appears to be a product of a Pandora bracelet. Them Pandora necklaces be looking so cute.
So whoever has the custody of the phone at this point is posting jewelry, is that correct?
Correct.
And then I'm going to show, oh, that's it. Did you also, in the course of your investigation, get the Instagram records of the co-defendant, Isaiah Chance?
Yes.
I'm going to show you State's Exhibit 87. What's that?
Business certifications from Meta.
I'm showing you 87. Can you tell us what is the account identifier for Isaiah Chance's Instagram?
Gadaze.
And then is there also an email address associated with Isaiah Chance's Instagram account?
Yeah, Gadaze24@gmail.com.
And what is his vanity name on his Instagram account?
Gadaze.
Did you look at the records of Isaiah Chance's Instagram account?
Yes, I did.
I'm going to show you. Detective, can you tell us what is being shown on this from the from Isaiah Chance's Instagram account?
This is a photograph from a crime scene in Jacksonville where one of the members of the gangs was murdered.
Okay. And who was the person that was murdered?
I can't recall this specific one at this time.
Okay. And when was that posted on Isaiah Chance's Instagram?
June 5th, 2024 at 23:24 UTC.
And what does it say when it's posted?
There was a comment with it, you and be playing the game no more, question mark.
And then, can I ask you what is being shown in this from the Isaiah Chance's Instagram account? Are you familiar with this posting from Isaiah Chance's Instagram account?
Yes, this was made from his account on the day of the homicide at approximately 6:13 a.m., so less than 2 hours after the homicide. It's a picture he posted of Bill Belichick, the famous Patriot coach, with the hands up emoji.
Then are you also familiar with this posting from Isaiah Chance's Instagram account?
Yes, it's another post that Isaiah Chance's Instagram account made on the day of the homicide.
Okay. And do you know who the individuals are that are in this photograph?
Yes, behind the ghost emoji to the right is Codefendant Isaiah Chance, and then the gentleman on the left is Tilly, his friend that was killed on October 7th in 2023 in Jacksonville.
And what is the caption that is on this particular photograph that was posted to Isaiah Chance's Instagram?
I miss my joking and laughing buddy.
And when was this posted?
This was posted June 23rd, 2024, 14:31 UTC, so it would have been around 10:31 a.m., 4 hours after the homicide.
And are you also familiar with this posting from the Isaiah Chance's Instagram account?
Yes.
And what does it say?
If it ain't Don Julio, don't pass me no bottle.
And when was this posted?
On the day of the homicide, June 23rd, 2024, 14:29 hours, so 10:29 a.m.
And are you familiar with this person, Will Go Crazy?
Yes, someone from Jacksonville involved with the gangs as well.
Do you remember what his real name is?
I can't recall at this time.
You also got Rashad Murphy's Instagram account, is that correct?
Correct.
What is State's Exhibit 88 show?
Business certifications from Meta.
And part of the Instagram, did you get when searches were done for certain people on Instagram from Rashad Murphy's account?
Yes.
And can you see whose account that he had selected?
Yes, Duda Strap, Julio Foolio, and him Smoke.
Okay. Let's start with Julio Foolio. When was it that he was searching for Julio Foolio on his account for his profile?
June 23rd, 2024 at 12:39 UTC, 8:39 a.m., approximately 4 hours after the murder.
So, and then are you familiar with who has the username him Smokey?
No.
And then is Charles Jones Julio Foolio, is his account, again, there a timestamp on Rashad Murphy's Instagram account?
Yes.
And when was that done?
June 23rd, 2024, 11:52 UTC. So the correct time would have been 7:52 a.m.
And then did he again look for Charles Jones, Julio, Foolio's Instagram account?
Yes.
On June 24th of 2024?
Yes.
What time?
6:42 UTC, so this would have been before the homicide at approximately 2:42.
Then did you see down here that he also looks for another Instagram account?
Yes.
And who is that?
Spinna Benz is the prominent rapper in the 1200 gang, gang that rivals the victim's gang.
And when was he looking at Spinaben's account on Instagram?
On 6/24/2024, 14:14 UTC, so the day after at approximately 10 a.m.
The day after Charles Jones was killed?
Correct.
And then what about this, Young and Ace?
On 6/24/2024, around the same time, 10 a.m., the day after Mr. Jones was killed.
And you're aware of who Young and Ace is that correct?
Yes, a prominent rapper for one of the rival gangs of the victim, ATK.
And one that is allied to Rashad Murphy's, the gang that he is in?
Correct.
Did you also look at and see when Rashad Murphy was looking at postings on Julio Foolio's Instagram account?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to here. When did this occur?
This one's from June 15th, 2024 at 11:50 UTC, so this was approximately 7 days before Mr. Jones had to be in Tampa.
And you see that there is a link here, is that correct?
Correct.
And is there, I'm going to ask you about the posting of Julio Foolio and his advertisements that he was going to be here in Tampa. You familiar with that?
Yes, I am.
And is this a link to that specific posting when Julio Foolio Charles Jones was advertising on Instagram his appearances and when he was going to be in Tampa?
I believe it is, yes.
And then I'm going to go down here to, again, see another posting at July 15, 2024, 11:50 UTC time. Is there another time where he is checking on Charles Jones, Julio Foolio's Instagram postings?
Yes.
And there was more than one posting by Charles Jones showing his appearances to Tampa, is that correct?
Correct.
And is this link another link to the Instagram posting, his second posting from Charles Jones that he was going to be here in Tampa?
Yes.
I'm going to show you one more exhibit of the accounts that he is looking for, fellow accounts of Instagram. And this one is dated June 14th, 2024 at 15:16 UTC. Do you see that he is selected to view an account called Gutta Zay? See that down there?
Yeah, correct. The timestamp for the Gutta, I believe, was 6:15.
Okay, I apologize, 6:15. And we had just previously seen the Instagram records and accounts for Isaiah Chance, is that correct?
Correct.
And this is a account that he was viewing at that time?
Correct.
And what is the selected up here for the search results?
Art of War quote.
Were you familiar of Rashad Murphy's Instagram postings after the murder of Charles Jones?
Yes.
Can you tell us what this is?
Yes, this one was posted by Rashad Murphy's Instagram account on June 23rd, 2024 at 09 UTC, so subtract 4 hours. It was at 5 a.m., 20 minutes after Mr. Jones was shot and killed.
And what is it?
A black screen with 4 laughing, crying emojis.
Was this another posting from Rashad Murphy's Instagram account?
Yes, it was.
And what time does this happen?
This one happened on the day of the murder at 12:10 UTC, so approximately 8:10 a.m., several hours after Mr. Jones was killed.
And again, what is it for the record?
A screenshot of Tom Brady and Bill Belichick celebrating something.
And when was this posted to Rashad Murphy's Instagram account?
This was posted around the same time, June 23rd, 2024, at 12:18 UTC, so 8:18 a.m., several hours after the murder.
And do you recognize who's in this photograph that he's posted to his Instagram story?
I can't recall the name, but JSO told me this was another person who was killed in the war between the two gangs.
Is this another posting from June 23rd, 2024 after the homicide?
Yes.
What time?
16:14 UTC, so approximately 2:14 p.m. The day of the murder.
And what does it say?
It's a black screen with Prosper and Junior G-Day today with 187 babies.
Okay. Are you familiar with Prosper and Junior?
Yes, again, two members that were killed in the gang war some time ago.
Okay. Do you remember who they are?
Prosper was a long time ago. I can't recall the names at this time. I'm sorry.
And then this was posted on June 24th of 2024 on Rashad Murphy's Instagram.
Yes.
And is there a song that is playing with this particular posting?
I believe so, yes.
And what is the title of that?
I'm going to pay you back for that one.
And then if I turn this way, can you see what he is taking or what he's posting to his Instagram?
Yes.
And what is the title of it?
This is the Rifleman's Creed from the United States Marine Corps.
When was this posted to Rashad Murphy's Instagram?
June 25th, 2024, 022 UTC, so it would have been approximately 8:22 p.m. on the 24th, the day after the murder.
Okay. And again, is this another song he's posting to his account?
Yeah, this is J. Breezy's Psyching Out that was released post the murder of Mr. Jones.
Okay. And are you familiar with who J. Breezy is?
Yes, I am.
Who is that?
Ja'Cory Rivers, a prominent 1200 rapper, a rival gang member of the victim.
And then when was this posted to Rashad Murphy's Instagram account?
June 25th, 2024, around the same time.
Okay, and another song that he's posting to his account?
Yes, this one's from WAPO with the Choppa, another prominent 1200 gang member.